Hi, this is a kind of meditation to kill all meditations, and the reason why is because it's a meditation that tells you exactly what you need to do to go to sleep. Why do you need to know that? Because all of us live really, really stressed lives, and all of us, all of the time, are kind of half asleep even when we're asleep. Now you need to have really, really good sleep, and for that, especially if this is for people who suffer from insomnia, there are two things that you need to do that I think work really, really well, or rather three. The first thing is that if you regularly can't get sleep, that means over a week or a month or more than that even, I'd suggest that before you go to sleep, just have a bath in lukewarm water, not very hot water, not very cold water, just regular water. It kind of, soothes your body and gets it all ready to go to sleep. So that's a good idea. That's one. The second thing is, your feet. I'm talking about, yeah. So whenever you're looking at your feet, where's my foot? There it is. This area, this area, you actually need to oil it a little bit. If you can do that, then you're sorted as far as your feet are concerned, because when they're oiled, they're kind of soft and supple, and your feet are extremely important for when you go to sleep. The third thing is that when you go to sleep, try and keep the traffic as low as possible, which means that keep the lights down, keep everything comfortable, sleep in a comfortable bed, keep a pillow, all of those things. So keep your traffic down so that everything is conducive to you going to sleep. If you like good music, or whatever that soft lilting music would be, something like the background of music that's going on right now, you can do that as well. Now for my meditation, remember that when you're doing this meditation, you can go to sleep at any point in time, even while the meditation is on. It will go to a halt on its own, so you don't really need to worry about it. And every time that you need to watch this meditation, you can. And in the meantime, of course, what you can do so that you can stay in touch with us, and I'd love you to do that, is actually subscribe and like our YouTube channel so that it becomes comfortable. Obviously, you will get all our videos and we'll have a whole lot of fun on that. But coming back to the meditation, I'm now going to shut myself out of this, and I'm going to actually do the meditation for you. So it'll be fade to black, and from there, of course, we have just the meditation for you. But one thing to remember, that gently as you are drifting off to sleep, turn over to your left side. It's always easier to sleep on the left side. To begin this sleep meditation, lie down on your back and close your eyes. And gently just feel your breath as you inhale nice and deep and exhale again. Slowly feel your breath as you inhale. A nice deep inhale from your abdomen, and slowly let it go. And breathe in again, and breathe out. Breathe in, and breathe out. And with every breath, let go of all the tension and stress of the day. This is your my time, your sleep time. So relax, relax. Relax, and gently feel your mind settling in as you breathe in and breathe out deeply. Breathe in, and your abdomen swells out, and breathe out, and pull your abdomen in a little bit, and then breathe in again, and breathe out. Slowly relax your toes. Wiggle them a little bit and relax them. Your toes are relaxing. Let go of all the stress of all the walking that you've done today, of all the running around. Just relax your feet. Let your feet relax. 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 And now your calves. Gently relax the stress from your calves. Let your calves relax. 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 Now focus on your thighs. Let your thighs relax. All the tension, all the stress. Just relax. Let go of all the tension and all the stress. Just relax. 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 Feel your legs as they gently loosen out. Your body is beginning to relax. All your organs, after a long day's work, are relaxing. Your organs are relaxing. Your body is slowly and gently floating into relaxation. Your breath is slowing down. Relax, relax, relax. Slowly let go of all the tension of the day. Let go of all the stress of the day. Let go of all the thoughts of the day. Tomorrow is another day. Let your body get its rest. Let your body relax in bliss. The waves of sleep gently take over. Slow waves like the waves of a sea that come in and ebb out. and come in and ebb out again, slowly and gently. Your body is relaxed. Your mind is relaxed. You're breathing slower now. Every breath is relaxed. Stress is let go. And slowly you feel yourself floating into sleep. Let sleep take over. You are relaxed. Your body is relaxed. Your mind is at ease. You are at rest. You are at rest. Slowly drifting off to sleep.